Hi, I will show you how to install apps using AssistiveTouch on iPhone. Firstly, go ahead and open Settings, and now find Accessibility tab. Then I want you to select Touch section, then AssistiveTouch, and scroll all the way down to find this option Confirm with AssistiveTouch. Now, if you want to install apps with this feature, you need to toggle on the switch by tapping, and in the pop-up window, tap Continue. So, here you need to confirm this tab by double-clicking the side button. Then enter your phone's passcode, and now do it again. Great. Now we enabled this option Confirm with AssistiveTouch. Also make sure to turn on this AssistiveTouch. Now let's try this out. So I'm gonna open App Store and find app on which we'll try this feature. So let's just try to install Township. I'm gonna tap Get button. And now, I'm just gonna tap on the AssistiveTouch, tap Device, then click More, and tap this option Pay. I'm gonna tap here, and it scanned my Face ID and start downloading this app immediately. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.